I'm Charlie Henley from BAK Industries, and I'm here to introduce the all-new BAKFlip MX4. In 2005, we invented the BAKFlip technology with the world's first flush-fit, hard-folding cover, and I would like to tell you how this cover stands out in our family of product offering. This beautiful cover offers a smooth texture and a matte finish to create a unique look in our BAKFlip family of products. Moreover, it offers our premium density core capable of withstanding up to 400 pounds of weight distributed over the top. This product is going to be robust and perfect for the UV desert climate and off-road applications. As the premium offering in our all-aluminum BAKFlip family, the MX4 has an amazing upgrade in the new universal functionality at the tailgate, which allows you to open the tailgate and close it underneath the cover, which is very new, while still being able to close the cover easily over the top of your tailgate if it's already been closed. You'll notice the smooth, clean appearance of the MX4 doesn't have any keys facing the sky. This eliminates the potential for failure, where water can get in and freeze overnight, or dirt and sand can cause an issue. We rely on the truck's original equipment tailgate to lock and secure the bed. By unlocking and lowering the tailgate, you'll gain access to a simple pull cable release that releases the automatic latch system from either side. This new cover is so simple to operate. The automatic latches are effortless to allow you to click and fold the cover into an open position. Now here we have a new strap and buckle that allows you to strap the cover in the first down position behind the cab, to hitch up your fifth wheel, or to throw a table saw in the back. But even more important is the ability for the cover to fold wide open. Now you'll notice D-shaped bumpers that are going to prevent any direct contact to the cab or glass when the cover's leaned forward. And then a very simple locking rod goes into the slide lock to gain access to 100% of the pickup bed for driving at highway speeds. The unique patented ability for the BAKFlip to lean forward with bumpers protecting the cab allow the cover to become shorter and provide visibility for the third brake light to prevent collisions from behind. But more importantly, because we have secured the cover from the front and from the rear, if you have large cargo that shifts abruptly forward, the BAKFlip MX4 is going to prevent damage to your cab and to your glass. The patented rail design of the MX4 allows for a host of other accessories, with access to the stake pocket hole, bed rail bars, tie downs, headache racks, overhead racks. All types of accessories, aftermarket and OEM, will work, including track systems, lighting systems, bed extenders, and tailgate steps. Toolboxes like the back box that goes underneath. This cover is going to make the entire back of the truck the largest toolbox you could have, and items like this are going to allow you that organization that you're looking for as well. The BAKFlip MX4 is going to be very easy to close, as the weight of the cover will automatically engage the rail. By closing and locking the tailgate, you've secured your cargo. In order to help keep your cargo dry, we use an EPDM seal that joins to the top horizontal surface of your bed rail on your truck. And at the back, a triple fin seal will create a watertight barrier against your tailgate. With the new premium features of the universal function of the tailgate and the robust construction and matte finish of the panels, we are confident the MX4 is a great choice. MX4 is proudly made in America with a manufacturer's 3-year warranty. For more information, please visit BAKindustries.com.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.